Hello everyone, how are you? Now we are going to solve this polynomial using the method factorization. First of all, you see this p of x, we have a common factor x. We have to put x in common. We have x in common. Here we have x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. So now we have p of x which is equal to this one. So now we are going to factorize this one. Factorizing x cubed plus 2x square minus 5x minus 6. To factorize this polynomial having a power more than 2, first of all we have to see this constant, and we are going to find the factor of minus 6 so that we find a factor which can evaluate this polynomial to give 0. So the factor of minus 6 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3. So now we are going to choose one factor to substitute into this polynomial to give 0. Try minus 1. Try minus 1. Minus 1 power 3 plus 2 minus 1 power 2 minus 5 minus 1 power 1 minus 6. We are going to check if this is equal to 0. So now minus 1 power 3 is equal minus 1. Minus 1 power 2 is equal 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 5 minus 6. This is equal to 0. So now minus 1, here we have 1 plus 5 minus 6, which is equal to 0. So you see here 1 plus 5 minus 6 is equal to 0. 0 equals 0. So now x which is equal minus 1 and x, and this is, and you have x minus plus 1, which is the first factor of x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. So now we are going to find the division of x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 divided by x plus 1. Let's use synthetic division, or by using Euler's method. So now we have, I'm going to write the coefficient of this polynomial. We have 1, we have 2, we have minus 5 and minus 6. And the x plus 1, we have x which is equal to minus 1. This minus 1, I'm going to put minus 1 here, and you have 1. Minus 1 times 1 is equal to minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Minus 1 times 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 5 minus 1 for minus 6. Minus 1 times minus 6 equal 6. Here is equal to 0. So now here is the coefficient of x which is equal to 0. Here is the coefficient of x is equal to 1. Here is the coefficient of x which is equal to 2. So the answer is x squared plus x minus 6. So x cube plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 divided by x plus 1 is equal to x squared plus x minus 6. So now x cube plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6 equal x squared plus x minus 6 times x plus 1. So now you see we are going to factorize this using quadratic expression method. We are going to find the number we can multiply, we can add. For example, m and n will be equal to 1, and when we multiply equal to minus 6. You see we have, when we multiply two numbers equal a times c, and when we add those two numbers equal b. Here we have a and b, and this content is equal to c. So those two numbers are m, which is equal to 3, and n which is equal to minus 2, because 3 minus 2 is equal 1. 3 times minus 2 is equal minus 6. So now x squared plus x minus 6 equal x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6, which is equal to x squared plus 3x, I'm going to factorize, remember, plus 6. So here we have x plus 3, and there we have 2x plus 3. So now the answer will be equal to what? X squared plus x minus 6 will be equal to x plus 3, which is in common, times x minus 2. So now p of x equal this p of x equal x times the answer of this one, which is x plus 1, which is this x plus 1 with is the first factor of that, and those one x plus 3 times x minus 2. So now we are going to solve p of x, which is equal to 0. X times 1, x plus 3, x minus 2, which is equal to 0. So now every factor is equal to 0. X equal 0, x plus 1 equals 0. So now x equal minus 1, x plus 3 equals 0. So now x equal minus 3, x minus 2 equals 0. So x equal 2. So now the answer is x, which is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 3, and x which is equal to 2. Thank you for your attention.